Hello guys, today I am going to start a new series AWS automation based on Boto 3 and Python. Okay, so AWS provides us Boto 3 library for Python. If you want to create any EC2 instance or any other services using Python, then Boto 3 library help us for doing the same. Okay, so what to do? We need to create we need to follow some steps for the same. So which steps we need to follow, we will list down one by one. So first of all, we need to we need to create a uh, Python environment. This is this is our first step. If you are Python developer, you know about it. Okay, now second step is you need to install Boto 3 library in that environment. Install Boto 3 library. Now third step is create a Boto 3 client. These three steps will remain same for the upcoming session as well. Now fourth step is run EC2 instance command. Okay, so this command you need to run for the creating new EC2 instance using Python. Okay, so before moving ahead, we need to keep something in our mind, which is we need to specify which service we need to use using Boto 3 client. After that, in which region I want to create that service. So region, okay. For the same, you need to create AWS credential. So you require AWS secret key and AWS access key. Okay, so these four things you need to configure into Boto 3 client. Now moving to the code. So I have created a sample code. I will explain you each line one by one. Okay, so first of all, I import Boto 3 library. After that, I have created variable for storing AWS access key ID and AWS secret access key, which define in our constant file. So I just imported. Now here I have created Boto 3 client. Actually, I want to create EC2 instance using the Boto 3 client. So just I define EC2 service here. Now here you need to define in which region you want to create that service. So here my region is North Virginia. So we need to define its region name US East 1. US East 1. This is my region name. Here you need to define your access key, ID and secret access key. Now move to the next step. Once your client has been configured, you need to run EC2 run instance command. Here you need to define instance type. Instance type, how can you identify? So you just go to the launch instance, just select. Here you will get all the plans, its family and its detail as well. So you can choose any one. I am choosing T2.micro. So I just define here instance type T2.micro. Now max count. When we create any instance, we need to define max count and min count. It means when our machine will be created, then how many instance it will created. So its max range and min range you need to define, and the image ID. So how can you identify your image ID? So just go to the AWS launch instance. See here several options you have. Several AMI are listed here. So this is your image ID. If you want to create Red Hat Linux machine, then in that case it's your image ID. So I am just creating it. I am just replacing it. This is my image ID. Now save. Py create ec2.py. See, this gives this response for us. Now check, just refresh. So our EC2 instance has been created. In the next chapter we will see how to create S3 bucket and we'll see its related functionality. Thanks.